This bilateral meeting between South Africa and Swaziland is aimed at addressing a series of labor-related issues affecting the two countries in the labor front. At the center of the issues stand the non-payment of terminal and medical benefits for mine workers who have struggled for many years to receive compensation from agencies in the Republic of South Africa. It is reported that there is more than 500,000 migrant workers from within the SADC regions who worked in South Africa who have not received their medical and terminal benefits thus far. A notable portion of this figure is made up of ex-workers from Swaziland. Minister Winnie Magagula says this two-day bilateral session is very strategic and aims to provide short and long-term solutions to the problems on the agenda.
However, Honourable Minister, there are key common labour-related issues that as Government of Swaziland would want this bilateral arrangement and engagement to address. These include, but are not limited to, migrant workers having difficulty in accessing or completing access to their inter- and post-employment benefits, such as equitable remuneration, retirement pension benefits, invalidity benefits, provident fund benefits, and occupational health and workmen compensation benefits. 2, restricted and illegal movement of labor between the two countries at all skills level. 3, restricted and illegal repatriation of remittances by migrant workers between the two countries. 4, general crimes committed in anonymity between the two countries, including the crimes of illegal migration for employment or any other purposes. 4, the lack of comprehensive regional win-win labor integrations between the two countries, despite them both being members of SACU as old as 103 years today.
Convening a meeting of this nature summons a new dawn within the labor environment that connects the two countries. This meeting surely raises hope that long-standing immigration and labor issues that affect migrant workers in the country will finally be addressed. Reporting for Swazi TV, I'm John Perez with Sihle Dlamini in Matapa.